Come back with me to US with winter bags. First up, the Dawn cabin bag. It stands 22 inches tall, has 44 liters of storage capacity, and fits perfectly fine as a carry-on. It's compact on the outside but surprisingly spacious inside. What makes it apart is a smart essentials pouch on the inside for the toiletries and power bank slot on the outside. Just put your power bank, plug in your phone, and charge it on the go. The Dawn medium bag with 85 liters of storage capacity. It's perfect for a 5 to 12 day trip. Big enough for everything you need without being bulky. Inside, it comes with antimicrobial, recycled Italian fabric, features water and odor-proof compartments with smooth SBS zippers and compression pads that indeed keep your packing under control. And then there's the Dawn large bag with a massive 115 liters of storage capacity. It's designed for long travel or when you're packing for two. The best part, even when jam-packed, it still feels easy to handle. Now here's what makes the Dawn Trio truly exclusive. The Hinomoto spinner wheels makes gliding them silently across the airport floor possible. And the best part, all these bags come with an integrated TSA lock and can easily fit in an average sized car. So if you're someone who travels smart but also want the luggage to be light in weight, this might be our next travel partner.